Glossary, an alphabetical list of the terms involved with the motion and design investigations. Aerodynamic, able to move through the air with as little air resistance as possible. Air resistance, the force of friction on a vehicle as it moves through the air. Analyze, to study something by breaking it down into simpler parts. Axle, a bar or shaft on which a wheel turns. Blueprint, a detailed plan or drawing that shows how something is designed. Classify, to group things together because they share one or more properties. Conclusion, a decision that is based on observations or on a study of data. Constant, a condition that is not changed in a scientific experiment. Controlled experiment, a scientific investigation in which one variable is changed and all the others are kept the same. Cost effective, able to produce the best results for the least money. Data, information such as that gathered in an experiment. Drag, force that opposes the forward movement of a vehicle. Dynamics, the part of physics that deals with how things move and the forces that change their motion. Energy, the ability to do work or make something happen. Evidence, something that offers proof. Experiment, a procedure that is carried out to investigate a scientific question. Force, a push or a pull. Friction, force that resists movement between two objects that are touching. Gravity, a force of attraction between any two masses. The strength of this force is dependent on the mass of each object and their distance from each other. Hypothesis, a prediction about how something works or how two variables are related. Kinetic energy, energy associated with motion. Laws of motion, 3 laws formulated by Sir Isaac Newton that describe how objects move in relation to the forces acting upon them. Mass, the amount of matter an object has. Mean, the mathematical average of a number of measurements. Median, the middle value of a number of measurements. Mode, the value occurring most frequently in a series of measurements. Opinion, an expression of how one thinks or feels about something. An opinion is based on personal views, not necessarily on facts. Pattern, a repeating arrangement of shapes, colours, numbers, or other things. Potential energy, stored energy that can be released to become other forms of energy. Prototype, an original model or design. Recursive testing, retesting and revising a product, part of the technological design process. Speed, a measure of how fast something is moving. Technological design, the process of designing and building products and systems to meet human needs. Template, a set, pattern, mould or form. Tension, the force exerted by a stretched object such as a spring. 3-view drawing, a diagram showing top, side and front views. Variable, an element in an experiment that can be changed. Weight, a measurement of how heavy something is.